This is part of the Liskeard Together project, and you can join us from the comfort of your own home with our online cooking sessions. All ingredients you will need are provided and delivered to your door every week for 6 weeks. These sessions are currently available for people in the PL14 area, currently not in paid employment. For more information, please contact ECCABI on 015 793 43693. In today's Tiny Kitchen session, we have got Alex from No Crap, No Wrap Liskeard.
Hi.
And he's got a lovely little shop, and it is very much worth popping in there. And what have you come in to cook today?
What I'm done today is a really simple dish that literally anybody could do. You don't need any skills, cooking skills whatsoever.
So I've been inside I've been in your shop before.
Yes,
We've met before, and you've got quite a selection of different types of food.
Well, if I said that we've got over 423 products in total.
That's a lot.
A lot of products.
For such a tiny
in a small shop.
Yeah.
Preparation is 80% of what we do. So first thing I'm going to do, and that temperature is 200 degrees. So first thing we're going to do is go through the ingredients. It is a recipe. It's all weighed out in grams. So I've already pre-made these, and I've arranged them into bags A, B, C, and D. This is a bag of mixed nuts. There's 5 different nuts in here. These are now going into the bowl. So I'm going to put in 2 teaspoons of extra virgin olive oil and mix them in as I'm going. For this, I'm just using a basic whisk. Now bag C, we call this the roast mix. And this is all of the lush ingredients. I'm now going to mix this in with the mix that we've already got and the pint of hot water. And the hot water will help the protein swell. So there it is. Next thing we're going to do is we're going to put it into my dish. So we take our mix. So the knack is making sure you get it all in and then packed quite tightly down. Make sure that's perfectly packed in. And this is going to go into the oven, and then I'm going to turn this down to the 200 mark where it can sit for the next 40 minutes. Yep, that smells great. That's a nice, meaty, moist nut roast. Those are cranberries. And then put these on the top of the nut roast whilst it's still hot. Spread it around the roast and gently raise that up. And there is your nut roast.
We are also offering short online courses that can help you prepare for the changes in the pipeline with Universal Credit, involving saving money and living on a budget, leading on to writing your CV, and help with online job searching skills. These we hope will help you be ready for these changes.